So, hello, good morning, friends. How are you? Okay, thank you. So, friends, yesterday itself we learned about the music, the sound of music. So, in this particular first part, we learned story of a foreign person. There was a lady, but now this is a time that we have to focus on India. Okay, so in India we have that great personality that is Ustad Bismillah Khan Saab. So on his life journey we have this text that is part second. Okay, so in this particular part of second we have to see that in detail information about Bismillah Khan. Okay, so especially what is the gift of Bismillah Khan as far as music is concerned, uh, that is Shahnai. He gave us, he gifted us. So what is Shahnai? So we have a long type of bamboo is there, and there are 7 holes. Okay, so it is called Shahnai. So that particular person played it for a long time, and we have to just go through his life journey. Actually only 3 to 4 minutes are not sufficient to explain that person's life and his achievement, but still I try to cover it. Okay, I used whiteboard animation for making this video. Okay, I hope you will enjoy it, and even I'll provide you some questions and answers on this for the purpose of our exercise is concerned or assignment is concerned. Okay, so friends, let's enjoy it. Sir Ustad Bismillah Khan. Okay, thank you. Today we are going to take information about Bismillah Khan, who is a very famous for his Shahnai. As you know that, what is Shahnai? Shahnai, it is nothing but it is the most popular music during the wedding ceremonies. Okay, so it is nothing but it is a gift of Bismillah Khan. So this is Shahnai. It is nothing but this all credit goes to Bismillah Khan. So he became popular not only in India but also in the world. So on 21st of March 1916 he born in Bihar. It is called Damrao, Bihar. So his father was Paigambar Baks and his mother's name was Mathan. He was very fond of music. When he was just 3 years old, he went to Varanasi. So there, when he watched his maternal uncle by playing, his maternal uncle's name was Ali Baks. Watching this, he was pleased to see it. His maternal uncle was playing Shahnai for a long time near Vishnu temple. So at that time, he got fond of that, and he practiced a lot for hours and hours for day and night. So at the age of 14, he went to Allahabad. Within his maternal uncle, he met Ustad Fayaz Khan. उन्होंने कहा उसे कि तुम ये कर सकते हो. At that time he started doing that. In 1938, with the opening of All India Radio in Lucknow, Bismillah Khan got his first big break. So he got chance to play the Shahnai on radio. On 15th of August 1947, he was the first person who played Shahnai at the time of Indian freedom. So when India got independence, at that time only he was the person who played, and even who played Shahnai, and even Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was also there. So he gave his contribution in his work very sincerely. So during this one, Bismillah Khan was the first abroad trip he arranged in Afghanistan. The king of Afghanistan was King Zahir Shah. So he gave our Bismillah Khan a number of things as a gift. So Vijay Bhatt also made a film on Bismillah Khan, that is Gunj Uthi Shahnai, which was a super hit movie. Awards and recognition came thick and fast. So Bismillah Khan won some awards such as Padma Bhushan, then Padma Vibhushan, and the greatest award of India, Bharat Ratna. So Bismillah Khan became the first Indian to be invited to perform at Lincoln Central Hall in USA. He was the first musician. He got appointed over there. In 2006, when on 21st of August 2006, he was ill, and at that time only he died. So still we say that our Bismillah Khan is not there, but still his music is here. We can perceive him, still we can remember him with the help of music. After each and every whatever ceremony is there, especially for we say that marriage ceremony, so we can listen that voice at that time. We remember our Bismillah Khan. Okay. So friends, we enjoyed summary in brief of Bismillah Khan. Now we are moving towards another section, that is we have to see the documentary and even we will enjoy the music also. It is not for more than 2 minutes. So let's enjoy.